Tokwende masemo wika county ya Kisii asingo kumenya ba MCA korase county yo bagweso kyavene kugikelia chinkwa na chayo museneta we county ya Kisii Richard Momoima Onyonka omubunge ya Kitutu Chache North Jafeth Nyakundi na boigo omubunge Silvana Sosoro kubwatikana ne chinkwa na chabo abolitkoole goro asibaboli county ya Arati kwa gwali bagana boigo kwene kebunango ikeraniale emerobelio boigo ni go bane kebuna ni go bagendete kubwaterana no mugavana we county ya Kisii asogo kolera abamenyi be county yo emirimo muri keito Mildred Momanyi nabakagwikirana astinsemecho na boigo gotwaliganelia oroboti rokubwatia
Egati yaba MCA ime county ya Kisii nigo besokire na kugikiria chingwana chae omoseneta we county ya Kisii Richard Onyonka omujumbe o South Mogrango Silvana Sosoro amono mujumbe o Kitutu Chache North Jafeth Nyakundi abo aserit koligoro chinga kiba kwanete amona balikia mangana asetia bisi chabo asomucho Nairobi nigo bono aba MCA babatebire nigo yabeire enaro ase abarayi abo komomochi omugavana we county ya Kisii Ilioko moli ya kurwa ase obokoleri uchiase abamenyi be county yo ase boigo bagania omobunge o South Mogrango Silvana Sosoro utigagwe sonania ase amangana yaba MCA nalikali aego kwana no morai wense ilioko kiania ogokina kubogima.
Members of the Kisii County Assembly, we condemn the recent media attacks on the governor of Kisii County, His Excellency Gavana Arati, from a section of Kisii members of parliament, and we particularly take exception with Senator Richard Onyonka, the MP for South Mogrango Silvana Sosoro, the Women Rep Doris Tonya Tota Aburi, and Kitutu Chache Member of Parliament Honorable Jafeth Nyakundi. These leaders have formed a habit of attacking the governor in the media and in public forums without any justifiable reasons or provocation whatsoever.
Senator Mheshimiwa Richard Onyonka ambaye tunamheshimu sana, tunamuomba badala ya kupiga kelele kwenye TV anasema atakuja kufanya oversight, atupe tarehe. Sisi kama waheshimiwa hao wote wamesimama hapa nyuma, anakuja ward zenu kuona ni nini tumefanya pale.
Oba maana bwa maneno osoro yanda tebye president tikakonya kobanga ayenga no gavana ya Kisii County ukonya kwa tebye yanda tebye president abantu obogima bwaba kongeire Kenya ngima Gusii ntoranyora ken osoro korukwachu ato kabekwe chief whip majority yaki yekwende ya National Assembly totebyo mu Gusii yo mogwacho abantu ngonya kuhegu bali chi ebirogo mabu
nigo boigo bamomochire omobunge o South Mogrango asugwatana na abarayi ba Gusii ase batebire baruboni gobale nobomo ase omugavana we county ya Kisii.
The honorable members of Kisii County Assembly, we therefore feel aggrieved and pronounce ourselves as follows. Number one, contrary to the claims by Honorable Soro, members of the Kisii County Assembly haven't complained of any mistreatment from the governor. We haven't equally asked Osoro or anybody else to complain on our behalf. As the Assembly of Kisii, we have a good working relationship with His Excellency Gavana Arati. We therefore ask the four leaders to respect the stature of MCAs, their contemporaries in legislation and leadership.
Imagine that the said leaders, born of contention with the governor, borders on their own vested interests with regard to the much hyped pending bills. The governor has indeed been on the forefront in championing the unity of Gusii leaders without regard to party affiliations.
Immediately tender and reserved apology to the governor of Kisii County, His Excellency Arati, and the entire Kisii County Assembly for the public discourse accorded to their recent media outburst.
Asichinga kiecho ni gobagani balibonsi babwate omochano no mugavana kolenta emotion yo ase bunge ye county ya Kisii elekonyora lichibu boikerano.
Watakuja kuimpeach governor namna gani na wako watu waine? Tumewaambia kama walikuwa na motion ya impeachment ya kuwekea Arati, hiyo ni ndoto ya mchana. Walete wasilete. Leta tuwaonyeshe. Na waheshimiwa tuko tayari, hatuko tayari? Tuko tayari. Tumeomba, we dare you. Bring it, we deal with you. Baby come.
Ripoti ya Ndizi TV, Leteni Mildred Momanyi.